You packed yesterday's me in a bag, but I can't carry it on my shoulders anymore. The sound of sneakers echoing in the hallway. Even though we're on the same path, my stride is different. I couldn't respond to that girl's smile. I lowered my gaze, but I didn't want to run away. During lunch break, not in the schoolyard, but on the roof. Only the wind was honest with me. The sky is wide, but my words are narrow. They bounce back to me before they can reach someone. I whispered to myself that I wanted to become stronger, but in reality I want to embrace my weaknesses. The reason the classroom window closed, because I still believe in the light outside. The letters on my name tag look blurred. Not tears, but yesterday's sunlight. I felt like I couldn't change anything, but inside of me, a voice wants to change. I didn't answer the bell after school, even on my way home alone. The sunset is my ally. I won't put away this pain in my heart until it becomes my color. I wanna touch someone because I'm different from others, but courage isn't in anyone's uniform. Every time I open